We got all the forms in, plastic down, tools laid out, holding the plastic down. Got our big concrete pour tomorrow. Everything's in place, ready to go. And we got this thing. Having fun, Megan, are you? Got our pipes here for leveling the concrete with, striking off with. All the concrete tools. Got Sarge out there doing final inspections. This should be fun. I gotta get back up here. Got our bull float. And we got the old boy here. There's old Copper. He can't even hear me right now. Deaf as all get out. He's just having a good nap. There he is. He sees me. Hey, buddy. Hi. Oh, got someone getting jealous. You getting jealous? So I was saying hi to the old dog. Hey, old Copper. Oh, and he fell down. Oh. Love you, old boy. And you're a little turd. all the concrete laid in here. At this point it's just bull floated. Still got to run the power trial on it, trial the edges, all that. But the hard part's done. That's 14 foot, 90 foot long. And then it bumps over here 10 foot by 25 foot. 2 full cement trucks. And it was 18 yards of concrete we poured. It was Tanya, Noah, Megan, and me. The 4 of us, and when the second truck came. Great company, they treated us really good. So just gotta get the old power trial on it and get her smoothed out once it starts setting up, and then we'll cut it this evening. But it turned out really nice, and this was a big one. Kids did great. Tanya did great. Megan threw some color out here on it. I don't know if you can see that it's got like a terracotta color. Looks just like the dirt out here. That way, if we end up keeping this and don't put a different flooring on top of it, we can just clear it. And if we drag in dirt, you won't notice it because it's the same color. Yep. Probably be a couple hours before I get on the machine. A lot of water setting up. I gotta wait for the water to stop pooling, and then we'll get on there and get her all smoothed out. But said it was a great day, worked out great.